Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. So recently Microsoft stores are facing new error. So error is 0x80073CF3. So how to fix? Firstly, start button, go to setting, and app and features. Scroll down, right click through Microsoft Store, advanced, scroll down. Firstly you click to terminate it, and then click to reset. Then again click to terminate it. So then closed. Second method. And one more solutions. So you go to control panel and internet, sharing internet, ethernet, properties, IP version 4, then use DNS, Google DNS 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 and use, and guys restart your system and then check. Okay.